Diesel trucks are our bread and butter at PALS. This is horse country and RV country. People love diesels, and at PALS, we love diesels. Ford diesels are made to work. This one's got 266,000 miles on it. It developed a leak in a small hose next to the fuel filter and turbocharger. We're replacing that today. Also, the filter housing was leaking. It's a very common problem on these 6.0s. If you have a 6.0, bring it to PALS. This is a 2019 Ford F-250. This truck requires DEF fluid, the blue, and diesel fuel, the green. If you put the blue into the green, you destroy your fuel pump. That's what happened to this truck. This is the new fuel pump. We will install it and this truck will be like new.
Here at PALS Ocala Auto Repair, we work on big diesel trucks all the time. We are located in Ocala and this is horse country. The lady who owns this vehicle is at a thing called HITS for hunters and jumpers. We are in the process of repairing the DEF pump in her vehicle for the reluctant fluid. As you can see, Professor Jimmy is doing his due diligence to get that DEF pump out.
PALS Ocala Auto Repair can arrange towing for your motorhome, and when it gets here, you'll receive the very best service available.
We work on anything from an RV, an SUV. This particular vehicle needs brakes, and you can see we have a gauge set up to check lateral runout for warped rotors. Over here, we have a tiny trailer that has electrical issues when hooked to the vehicle. And back here, we have a motor coach that we'll be looking at the generator on shortly. So if you need help with your SUV, your trailer, or RV, please feel free to contact PALS Ocala Auto Repair.